A well-maintained 3+2 bedroom brick home with 5 washrooms, nestled at the end of a quiet court within the family-minded Maple Ridge neighbourhood of Pickering's sought-after Liverpool community. Welcome to 2281 Cottonwood Circle. A lush tree line to the north and mature greenery along the backyard's south fence brings wonderful privacy to the property. The backyard itself a lovely outdoor oasis, while the front yard has been landscaped with a stone driveway and walkways, a mature tree and evergreen shrubs, as well as a perennial garden for exceptional curb appeal. The south walkway leads to a secondary side entrance, while the main walkway branches off towards the backyard into a separate covered walk-up entrance for the lower level. The main walkway's stone steps leading to an arched covered entrance that opens into a spacious ceramic tiled foyer that is open to the above level. The main level showcases elegant light fixtures and pot lighting, ceramic and updated hardwood flooring, crown moldings in the formal entertaining spaces and reception area, as well as large east and west facing windows in the principal rooms for natural brightness, while a subtle, tasteful decor set against crisp white trims and baseboards accentuates the aura of elegance felt throughout this level. Warm and inviting, the family room has a wood-burning brick fireplace with accent lighting above, and its window, as well as those in the kitchen and dining room, overlook the calming natural landscape of the backyard. Natural light enhances the spaciousness of the breakfast area and the modern design of the updated and very functional kitchen. Here, a stainless steel French door fridge, built-in microwave, dishwasher, stove, and double-wide undermount sink are paired with white cabinetry finished with light-colored quartz counters and backsplashes, their harmonious monochromatic aesthetic creating a bright working space. And to complement the cabinetry storage, the kitchen's south wall features a huge pantry with a servery counter. The turret shape of the breakfast area has 3 windows and 2 sliding door walkouts to the backyard deck, the first opening onto its larger entertaining space, the second to a cozy side sitting area. With the backyard enjoying both sun and shade, having plenty of space for play and gardening, and also has a shed for seasonal storage. The formal entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms are open to each other, overlook the front garden and backyard respectively, and both have the elegance of French door entries. The main level also features a double coat closet, a laundry and mudroom with front-load washer and dryer, access to the attached garage and the secondary side entrance, as well as a powder room appointed with a furniture-style vanity, stone counter, and matching mirror. While to both the upper and lower levels are curved staircases with the timeless finish of dark hardwood treads and railings accented with white risers and spindles. This level showcases 3 spacious bedrooms, 3 washrooms, and updated hardwood flooring in the hallway and master suite. The hallway also finished with crown moldings and having a skylight above the staircase for added natural brightness. Both the second and third bedrooms feature laminate flooring, crown moldings, double closets, space for sitting or study areas, as well as large east-facing windows. Adjacent to the second bedroom is a 3-piece washroom with a ceramic tiled floor and walk-in shower area, its vanity having an updated countertop basin and mirror. And next to this washroom is a very recently renovated 4-piece washroom, which showcases an oversized glass shower with rainfall and handheld shower heads, a freestanding clawfoot tub, as well as a vanity with a countertop basin and accent pot lighting. The massive master suite has separate single and double door entries, the double doors opening into a very spacious sitting and media room with a turret wall, 5 windows and a ceiling fan, while the single door entry opens directly to the bedroom, which has a west-facing window and a mirrored door double closet. Off the sitting room is a dressing area with closet organizers in addition to a walk-in closet, and beyond this space is the ensuite washroom. Also recently renovated, the ensuite showcases a tiled floor, a vanity with stone counter and undermount basins, upgraded lighting, and an oversized glass shower with a quartz top shower seat, as well as rainfall and handheld shower heads. Originally 2 separate bedrooms, the master suite can be partitioned off if a 4th bedroom on this level is desired. The lower level has a ceramic tiled landing, off of which is a cold room, and this fully finished level not only brings added living space to the home for personal use, with its separate entrance is also well suited as an in-law suite or apartment. Recently painted and updated with vinyl plank flooring and pot lighting, this level also features a 4-piece washroom with ceramic tiled walls, floor, and bath area, as well as an updated vanity, two bedrooms, the larger one having a walk-in closet and a fireplace, an open concept recreation area with ample space for living and dining rooms, plus a kitchen with a stainless steel double sink, a tiled backsplash, a fridge, microwave, rough-in for a stove, and lots of storage. A second bedroom with ceramic flooring, a closet, and direct access from the lower landing, as well as a separate walk-up covered entrance. A short walk to Maple Ridge Public, St. Isaac Shokes Catholic Elementary, and Pine Ridge Secondary Schools. The walking trails within Beverly Morgan Park and the Valley Farm Ravine, as well as the Maple Ridge Shopping Plaza for everyday conveniences. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.